Welcome to our Splunk SPL series. Today we'll explore the case command and how it enables multiple condition logic in your data analysis workflows. The case command is a powerful tool that allows you to implement complex conditional logic within eval expressions, making your Splunk searches more efficient and readable. The case command serves a crucial purpose in Splunk processing language. It enables conditional logic within eval expressions for complex data transformations. This command provides significant benefits over traditional approaches. You can handle multiple conditions in a single expression with much cleaner syntax than nested if statements. This makes your searches more maintainable and easier to understand. Let's examine the basic structure of the case command. The syntax follows a clear pattern. You start with the eval command, followed by your field name, then the case function. Inside the case function, you provide pairs of conditions and values. The structure is condition 1, value 1, condition 2, value 2, and finally true open close parentheses for the default value. This pattern ensures that every scenario is handled appropriately. Here's a practical example of status classification using the case command. We're evaluating a priority field based on different status values. If the status equals critical, we assign P1. If the status equals high, we assign P2. If the status equals medium, we assign P3. And finally, using true open close parentheses, we assign P4 as the default value for any other status. This approach provides clear priority mapping for incident management. The case command becomes even more powerful when handling complex conditions with logical operators. In this alert level example, we combine multiple conditions using and or operators. The first condition checks if CPU is greater than 90 and memory is greater than 85, resulting in critical status. The second condition uses or logic. If error count is greater than 50 or timeout is greater than 30, we assign high status. This demonstrates how you can create sophisticated conditional logic in a single expression. Numeric range evaluations are another common use case for the case command. This performance scoring example shows how to categorize numeric values into different grades. If the score is greater than or equal to 90, we assign excellent. If the score is greater than or equal to 75, we assign good. If the score is greater than or equal to 60, we assign average. If the score is greater than or equal to 40, we assign below average. Otherwise, we assign poor. Notice how the conditions are ordered from highest to lowest values for proper evaluation. Following best practices ensures your case statements work correctly and efficiently. Always include a default case using true open close parentheses to handle unexpected values. Order your conditions from most specific to least specific for optimal performance. Use proper indentation to make your code readable and maintainable. Avoid creating overlapping conditions that might cause unexpected results. Don't use overly complex nested expressions that make debugging difficult. And never omit the default case, as this can lead to null values in your results. Congratulations on mastering the case command in Splunk SPL. You've learned how to implement complex conditional logic in single expressions, handle multiple conditions within and or operators, and perform numeric range evaluations effectively. Your next step should include practicing with real data scenarios from your own environment, combining case commands with other eval functions for more advanced transformations, and optimizing performance by carefully ordering your field conditions. The case command is now a powerful tool in your Splunk toolkit for creating sophisticated data analysis workflows. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.